gotta wake up. Gotta do nature committee. Get dressed. Nice shoes, nice shirt, nice everything. Oh no, Elizabeth is sleeping. I gotta keep quiet or else she'll wake up and she'll know I'm in the nature committee and I'm not supposed to tell her. Keep quiet. I'm not supposed to tell anyone that I am in the nature committee. Okay, gotta put on my glasses. That was a close one. Phew, I made it. Now I gotta go before it's school. Okay, time to get to work. I think I should get a few more 1,000 trees. Maybe 2,000 is good for the forest. Okay. 2,000 trees and enter. Enter it is. Okay, let's see what else. I think we should get a bit more birds. Let's see in the book which is the best type of birds to have in a forest like this. Okay. It says blah blah blah. Brown birds are the best to have in a forest. That is just perfect. Brown birds, coming right up. Brown birds, and enter. Okay, now let's see the bill I have to give to Felicity before it's school. Hope it's not too much, not too shocking, the bill. Okay. $30 the bill. Okay, gotta get the envelope and put it inside the mail. Okay, just have to slide it in there. And that will just go straight away to a room. First bill done. Beep, 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 beep. Oops. Gotta go. Off to school. It's actually 2 hours before school, but I just love being early and learning. Oh, that's who I was looking for. Molly, what? Oh my gosh. You know what happened? What? They are selling a new magazine out in the school. Is it those boring fashion magazines? I hate those. No, it's not. It is a magazine for the Nature Committee. Really? Really? Yeah, come on, look. Okay, hope it's good. Ooh, a new nature member into the new Nature Committee. Molly Liu has made the Nature Committee go up and shoot up and make our forest a better place. Thank you so much, Molly. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh, it's no problem. And I saw the bill, only $30 for like 3,000 trees and bugs and milkweed and birds. Oh my gosh, you're just amazing. I know some sites and programs. Just so amazing. I gotta tell everyone. Hey! Gotta go. Wow. Good thing I did the Nature Committee. Let's see what else is there. Hey, Felicity. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Nature Committee magazines on sale for free. Hi. OMG. Are you Molly Liu? Yeah. Oh my gosh, so nice to meet you. Handshake. Please. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm just a bit excited. I'm Nature Committee magazine seller now. I asked for the job. I'm just so excited. I dropped my magazine. we were writing all about you, and then people have been writing newsletters about you and everything. So I said, let's start a magazine, and then a lot of people and articles and stuff. Oh, thanks. You're welcome. It's just so a big honor to see you, Molly. Thanks. So who started it? Well, I did, as you know, and I'm just so excited to do this magazine. It's going to be every week. Okay, bye. Bye. Nature magazines for sale, for sale. I can't believe it. She's just so nice. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, what is this really boring magazine? Whoever made this is going to pay. My dad is now struggling with his job, getting the oils, cutting the trees for us, for our school. Well, those annoying nature committees trying to get them. They will pay, and I'm going to get that nature committee down and our forest all cut off for our school. This magazine will pay. I'm going to find out where Molly is and ditch her and say not to join, or else this will be a problem. I am just so furious. Go away, magazine, go away. I gotta get my hair done before school. It has to be pretty as normal than all those mega losers. Gotta open my locker. I'm so happy. I'm in the nature committee. Molly, yeah? It's that popular girl. What did you say? Oh, nothing. Well, I'm really happy for your nature committee and all. Oh, thanks. Well, my dad's the oil company and the wood company for our school. Thanks. Well, your team is getting us down from all of that. Well, our forest deforestation's just not working. You're keeping trees and trees and trees. Sorry. It's better than just deforesting and getting all those oil and pollution everywhere. Well, it's not cool because my family is not getting enough money for an awesome Porsche. A Porsche for moi and a Ferrari for moi. Okay. Well, and I'm not getting my American Girl dolls anymore because of your company. I'm not getting any more American Girl dolls. Really. I only have 100. 100? Yeah, 100. I want to get 200. Hello? Okay. So, if you do it again, you're going to get smacked. Well, I don't care. I want our world to be a better place. Well, you guys are going to pay the school and your nature committee. Beat it, loser. She will pay. I need my 100 American Girl dolls. Oh, what a meanie. Ugh. Time to get to class. Bring, bring. Thanks again for your incredible effort. Oh, no problem. Well, Felicity, yeah? There's a problem. What problem? Are you leaving? Are you quitting? Are you leaving the school? No, none of that. Oh, phew. Well, what? Well, Elizabeth, her dad, and you know the deforestation that he told me about? He accidentally said Emily, as you know. Oh, yeah, sorry. Well, she's like gonna pay and everything. Don't listen to her. We can fight back. We have a strong, good team. 100 is better than 1, or 10 is better than 1. 10 brains are better than 1 brain. 20 brains are better than 1 brain. I know, but it's okay. Just keep calm. She's not gonna hurt you. Okay, thanks. You're a really good friend. No problem. You're best friend ever. Thanks. Our amazing handshake. Hee hee. So weird, right? Yeah. So I think we don't have to pay, right? Yeah. It's only $30 the bill. And also, don't be scared of Elizabeth. She's always that. She did that last year, and we weren't so good. But she said she was going to pay, but she didn't pay at all. She may if you're here, but we can always fight back, can't we? Yeah. Okay. Bring, bring. Okay, class time. I'll see you after school, okay? Okay. Class time over. See you later. Bye. I'm in the nature committee. I'm just so happy. I already met Felicity, and I'm gonna go home and rest. Oh my gosh, you're singing. What? Loser, your singing is bad. Well, it's not. Yeah, right. Well, I already paid because my dad is now cutting 100 trees from your place. 100, we have 3,000. Well, now he's going to take all the soil and the leaves and everything. What? You can't do that. That's our school stuff. Well, maybe not. He will, or maybe. Probably is. But, oh well. Okay. What? Oh, I'm just so happy. From what? You losers are going down and you guys are paying. You're gonna pay. Pay what? Nothing. They're gonna pay what they did to me and my dad and my American Girl dolls. What? Nothing. So, never mind. I don't care if you're going to pay or not, because we're going to try our best saving the world and our school without chopping wood or oil. We can just do recycling. Well, non-recycling is much more better. Oh, well. Whatever. Well, see you later, Mega Loser. More things are going to come up, and you guys have to pay more. What? Nothing. You're going to pay more, and that's all. Whatever. They're going to pay more every single day. Totally? Really? Ow. Haha, you falled. Ugh. I falled by myself. Well, see you later, loser. Ugh. She's so mean. Oh my god. It's already night. I better get going.